On average, how soon do your students get their first property after joining? That's a very subjective question, Jose, because everybody comes into it at a different place. I can tell you we have a gentleman by the name of Jahad Jones, 23. He bought 5 properties in 90 days. We got Brian Shaw, who's been in a program a year, who's about to close on his first property. Kayla Farrington, who since September 29th, 2023, she's on her 5th property. I have Christopher Gibson, who bought an 8-unit and closed on another 6-unit in less than a year. Everybody is coming in differently because sometimes you have to unlearn everything that you know right now. That's why I talk a lot about mindset. You can't change unless you change. This is why I screen the people I work with. Like my clients who I work one-on-one with, I turn down more people than I work with because I only want to work with the able. I don't want to work with people who got a bunch of considerations and they're negative. I don't work well with people like that. I don't do this for that reason. I can just go buy real estate forever if I want to.